Thank you for making your purchase at Nicholson Muir Meats. I am James Muir, self-proclaimed meat sommelier, and we're going to show you how to cook some of our meat items on a wood-fired grill. So over here we have Secreto Iberico. It's the inside part of the pork belly from the black-footed pigs of Spain that eat acorns. The same pork that they use to make jamón serrano, jabugo ibérico. It's a specialty product. These we also season with salt and pepper, a touch of lemon juice, and again, we want to make sure they're cooked through, slightly crispy, but moist on the inside. So as you can see, we're cooking on hot coals, but there's no fire. The fire is all the way at the back. The way that you can know if your fire is just right, if your coals are just right, is if you can put your hand and count to 10 without having to pull it away, the fire is good. If you have to pull your hand out, it's too hot and you need to move some of the coals back into the fire.